So you may have seen when I was whipping through the stuff from grade 10s, the equation was something like this. Okay, so this is a variable. The x and the y are both variables. They can be anything.
Anything you want?
Yeah. Okay, so we can represent any number. So the reason we're dealing with variables is because you want to, never in life are they going to have two situations exactly the same. Okay, so I'm going to talk today about going to the movies, some of one of the examples that I do. Okay, I'm going to make an equation and show you guys how to deal with the sort of the equation about going to the movies or getting a pizza, the same thing, right? You don't know, right? There's different prices. You don't know when you walk into the pizza store. They have no idea how many of each pizza you want to order, right? So they have no idea what it's going to be. Okay, we're going to say you can sub numbers in. Let's do example 1. So example, we're going to say okay, so 3x, it means 3 times a number. Okay? So do not be afraid, you're going to get lots of letters in high school. You're mostly A's, I hope. Okay, that was a joke. That was a joke, okay? Right? But in math, it's mostly x and y that we use. Okay? So what I'm going to say, sub in okay, so what we're going to do for 3 parts of this question, we're going to sub in x equals 0 and see what we get, x equals 3 and what we get, and x equals 20 and what we get. Okay? So, if I sub x equals 0, I'll do the first one, you guys can what to say. All that means is, I'm going to start with my equation. And everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put a 0 in. Okay? So you see that? It started off as 3x plus 4. I'll give it a second for you guys to catch up, okay? It started off as 3x plus 4. We're going to say sub in x equals 0. That means replace all your x's with zeros. Is this looking familiar to anybody from last year? No? That's okay. It's called learning, Abigail. That's all right. It's okay to learn. Right? So 3x plus 4. So again, you're subbing, you're changing the letter into a number. That's all we're doing here. Okay. I can't remember where I stopped, so I'm going to pick on Connor since he wasn't good at me in class. Connor, using your amazing math skills, what's 3 times 0, please? 3 times 0 is? 3. What? 0. Right, so if I say I want 0 pizzas and each cost me $3, I pay them $0, right? Right? Okay, good, that's okay. And 0 plus 4 is? 4. 4, good. So this is going to be 0. So the answer is going to be 4. So if I plug in 0, I'm going to get out of 4. Okay? I'm going to pause in the video. I want you guys to try the same thing for 3 and 20. See what you get. If you're sitting at the back with a beautiful tie on, you're saying, I'm not sure what's going on, or anyone else in the class, okay, please raise your hand. Okay, it is a nice tie. I'm sorry, it's a really nice tie. If you're not sure, raise your hand. I'll come help, okay?
We're finding out what okay.
Example 2 says, I'm going to say an equation for the movies is 9a plus 6c plus 10s. Okay, now in math, okay, we want to sort of represent things in words, okay, because we want to find out what each thing is, okay? If it says 9a plus 6c plus 10s, what do you think 9a means? Okay.
I don't know.
Well, take it short,
Maybe.
You want to try here? What do you think A stands for? Yeah, go ahead.
Admission.
Good. Admission, I'm going to do a little bit deeper than that. I'm going to call this admission for an adult. Okay? So 9A would be $9 for every adult. Okay, that's what that would be. With the knowledge of 9A is 9 adults. Someone guess what 6C stands for? Ella. Children. C is going to be your children. Okay, child or children. Now I'm a big guy, so this last letter is important to me. It may not be important to you guys. Not senior, good guess though. No, what do I get when I go to the movies being a big guy? What do I get on snacks, right? So this is going to be snacks. That's going to be snacks.
Oh, that's not what I heard.
Okay, so I'm going to say find the cost for, we'll say 3 adults, 6 children. Senior's a good guess too though. And we'll say 9 snacks. I put the snack for everybody, okay? Okay, so try your best. If you're not sure how to set this up, you can raise your hand and ask. Okay, what we're thinking here. This is a good equation. Again, you wouldn't think of an equation in your head when you're going to the movies unless you're a math teacher. Okay, right? But this is what I think in my head. I go, well, 9 adults, 6 for children, 10 for a snack. Again, I have no idea how much movies are. I go about once a year when a Spider-Man movie comes out. That's the only time I go to the movies.
Did you buy that new Spider-Man game?
No, I don't have a PS4. I still want a PS4 though.
Don't got a PS4.
So it would be 9A plus 9A plus 9A.
C60, yeah. Or that's what I'm going. Yeah.
What is 9A plus 9A plus 9A?
No.
$3.
Okay, so what 3 adults? Good question. So let's do the 3 adults part. Okay, so I'm gonna start with 9A plus 6C plus 10X. How would I represent 9 adults? Or 3 adults? How would I do for 3 adults? I don't want to try and take a guess here. Well, think what we did in the last question, right? Where we changed X.
Wait, are we doing 9 snacks or 10 snacks?
10 snacks. 9 snacks, right. 9A. Okay, so what that's going to be is $9. And how many adults do we have? 3. Okay, so this is A is going to be your adults, so we have this basically $9 for 3 adults. You see what I did there, right? A is your adults. So if we have 3 adults going to the movies, it's going to be $9 for each adult, and that's 3 adults. Following a little bit or not really? A little bit. Again, we'll do a little bit of this, and then tomorrow we'll do it a little bit more here too, though. Abigail, how do you feel? Are you lying to me? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Because I want you guys to at least have a good attempt at this stuff. Okay? I'm going to pick on my best friend in this class, whose name is Devin. Okay? Devin, if it's 6C, what am I subbing in for C in this case? Yeah, how many? 6. Okay? Plus 6. No, 6 times 6 is 6. And finally, I'm going to pick on Peyton, who's got my favorite first name. I wish I would have thought of that for my name, my son, just so you know. Okay? For 9 snacks, what's 9 snacks going to be then? What do I do?
What?
Do I want to put in 9 snacks?
Yeah.
What do I do for that? Okay. Oh yeah? Okay. So let's go back to this to make sure. So here we said 3 adults. So the A changed to 3 because it's 3 adults. Okay?
So it's 9 times.
Sorry?
9 times 3 then.
No, 9 times 3, we're having how many snacks? $10 per snack.
Yeah.
And how many snacks are there?
9.
9. So you see what we did there? Okay, so just so we're all clear here, Peyton, I'm just picking on you right now, okay? The equation was 9A, so 9 for each adult, 6 for each child, and 10 for each snack. Okay? So I have 3 adults, so I put in 3 for A. 6 children, so I put in 6 for C. And we're getting 9 snacks, so I put in 9 for S. Is that somewhat okay? Okay, we'll go through a few more here. Okay, Jonathan, since you're a calculator, you're my calculator boy. Jonathan, 9 times 3 is?
27.
Good. 6 times 6 is?
36.
Good, and 10 times 9 is?
90.
And that should be then, oh my goodness, how's my math? 63 plus 90? Which is $153. Oh my goodness. So that's, I know, therefore it will cost $153. You guys ever been, do you guys remember when you were, like I have a daughter that's 7 years old, okay? And she will have friend parties, right, where she'll have a birthday party. So there will be 6 little girls at my house, right? So I will want them out of my house. So to go to the movies isn't a bad deal, okay, right? So it's a lot of money though for that, for sure. Okay? I want you to try one of these on your own before we. Sure. Okay, to finish up here, you get to do this, and you're going to do this on your own, and then I'll take it up. Find the cost from like the class. The class, which is going to be 1 adult, 14 children, and 15 snacks. And you guys are teenagers, so you do lie. Sorry, it's true.
That is true.
Right? Colin, you're a big football player, you got to eat, right? There you go. All right, so. So, I want you guys to try and do the same thing. You're still going to use this equation. Where are we here? You're still going to use this equation up here, okay? But this time you're going to do 1 adult, 14 children, 15 snacks. Okay? Yeah. So give it a try, please, okay? If you're not sure, please raise your hand or make eye contact.